visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So let's check no kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I also want you to believe in the divine timing because this is a timeless reading, no? Kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, the message is meant to find you. The Four of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Chariot. So meron na kayong separation nitong taong to. Separation can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Or energetic separation, pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap, kahit nakikita kayo. For a few numbers of you talaga meron ng firm na relasyon. Nakasama mo na siya sa bahay, so nag-cohabitate na kayo. Pwedeng kasal na kayo. I feel like lumayo ito, whether this is trabaho or for the sake of lumayo talaga, no? Six of Cups, the Judgment, and the Witch of Pentacles. I feel like medyo nagtago-tago ito, itong taong to. What I mean by nagtago-tago is siguro hindi ito talaga nagpakita at talagang dine-activate no ang kanyang mga social media accounts. Lumayo siya pero parang ang secret nitong taong to is hindi talaga siya, kasi with the Witch of Pentacles, parang show lang yung kanyang deactivation. Gumawa siya ng isang dummy account and I think na meron siyang access pa rin sa'yo. Whether this is a dummy account or yung mutual friends nyo, no, parang yun yata ang kanyang ginagamit na pang-check ng iyong social media or ng iyong status. With the Crown of Wands, the Void. So, ang nakikita natin dito, wow. Kasi yung, parang gusto niya uling magpakita out of nowhere. Ganun na lang ba? Na, iniwan mo ko, tapos parang the acidity, no, na magpapakita ka sa akin, na umalis ka ng walang paalam, magpapakita ka ng walang paalam. Sobrang anak ka naman ng Diyos, no? Kaya mong gawin ang lahat ng bagay. Anong tingin mo sa akin, bato? No, parang ganon. Hindi mo nararamdaman or hindi mo ba naiisip na nasasaktan din ako? Hindi mo ba nararamdaman o hindi mo ba naiisip na meron din akong feelings, no? Kaya mong gawin ang labas-masok dito sa puso ko, sa buhay ko. Parang hindi naman yata makatao, no? With the Crown of Wands, the Maiden of Wands, and the Lust. So ayan. Hindi ko kukunin yung lust as yung as literal, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, this is more of the Maiden of Wands and the Lust. It's more of wanting to actually connect with you again. Chances are, baka kasi meron ng bata, no, for a few numbers of you, or meron kayong anak, I feel like gagamitin niya yung bata para mapalapit uli sa'yo. With the Ten of Wands, the Witch of Cups. So kung hindi naman 'to bata, I feel like gagamit ito ng ibang tao, let's say family members 'no, na para mapalapit sa'yo. The Ten of Wands, so medyo nahirapan ka mag-move forward. The Witch of Cups ngayon medyo nagiging okey na. However, siyempre nandun pa din yung mga ala-ala, nandun pa rin yung mga wishful thinking na sana, magkita kayo uli 'no. Ten of Wands is clarified with the Seven of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles. So parang feeling ko tumakas din itong taong ito sa responsibility, whether this is the responsibility of, um, paano 'to, yung responsibility ng child support or whichever support that they are giving you. It could be financial, it could be emotional, spiritual, what have you. The Two of Wands. Two of Wands Two of Wands with the Death card and the Queen of Wands. Yeah, parang feeling ko gusto nito makipagbalikan, rekindle the love. Rekindle the love in a sense of wanting to either get close to you, get back to you, um, continue the relationship. The Two of Wands, meron na ditong sense of urgency. The Wheel of Fortune and the Queen of Pentacles. So ngayon, willing na siyang ibalik yung kanyang mga hininto. Whether this is nga financial support, baka that time, no, ah, baka the Ten of Wands is sa kanya, no? Puwede rin naman sigurong that time hindi niya mapanindigan dahil hirap siya sa buhay. Puwedeng hindi niya mapanindigan dahil marami siyang responsibility, marami siyang utang. So, parang inayos niya yata muna yung buhay niya and then binalikan niya, no, parang unti-unti niyang inaayos yung flow. So parang ang naging system nito is nung kayo pa siguro talagang magulo ang buhay niya, hindi siya talaga din nakakaipon or talagang wala siyang means 'no, by that time. So, siguro nagsisimula pa lang siya nung mga panahon na yon. So, iniwan ka niya for the sake of either ayaw ka niyang, i-drag 'no, doon sa kanyang situation. However, parang mali pa din, eh, 'no? At one point may tama siya doon sa ayaw ka niyang i-drag doon sa sa situation niya na mahirap 'no? Pero when you love each other, eto naman yung punto mo 'no, kaya naman natin niyang, itawid 'no? Ang importante magkasama tayo. Both have both have points. Pero siguro sa kanya ginawa niya kung ano yung alam niyang tama 'no. Siguro this is more of pagkakaintindihan or kailangan intindihin. Um, Whether you're going to accept this person or not, I feel like magpapakita ito and would love to actually be with you, want to be with you, want to rekindle the love, want to, um have a connection again, no? Parang continue the relationship once more. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or placement in their chart. Or pwede rin naman lumabas ang zodiac sign mo. Of course, this is your reading. Kung hindi man ang zodiac sign mo, ito yung um, placement ng iyong chart. Pero bago yan, kung ikaw ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung ikaw meron tanong, meron po dyan sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign now. Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius. Leo is here. Capricorn, yan. Pisces, Aries, Sagittarius, Virgo, Libra, Cancer, Aries. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.